Get it? Barrett and I are playing mechanic. That little evap valve thingy.
Yeah.
Let me go get the box. This is when contractors play mechanic, and it's usually dangerous. But I watched the interwebs. My truck was when it would start fine, then I would go to the gas station and get gas, and it wouldn't want to start. So we did imminent research and found this to be the problem. That little booger. Got to take the little red thing off. Nipple protector. Take your nipple protector off. And you know, one thing they said we were supposed to do was disconnect the battery to reset the computer. So we haven't done that yet. I guess we'll have to do it. Let me see. So Barrett sometimes has to be, you know, mechanic and drummer and carpenter. And
yep.
Hope this works. I gotta disconnect the battery. I'm getting ready to trade this truck in actually. And this started, I've had this truck since 2014. So I think I deserve a new one. The problem is now they're really expensive. Even more expensive than back in the day. That is the part. And the perfect, it's funny though, isn't it, Barrett? I kind of guessed the symptoms was that when you get gas, you're opening up the fuel tank lid or whatever, right? So that's those, yeah, it should be, the clip should be pulled up when you first put it on, and then you push it down. Push it on as far as it'll go. Push it on as far as before you put the clips down.
Yeah, that's as far as it goes.
Okay. Marvelous. See, they made this too easy. If a contractor can do it. If a drummer can do it, even.
Right. Hey, I fixed a dishwasher before. Or wait, a dryer.
We have, that's right. Somebody just left a comment on that video just the other day, and they were like, which way is the spring go, man? And mine keeps coming off. And I was like, God bless you, because it's hard to get to.
Yeah.
Is it clipped on? Did you hear a click? Probably couldn't hear it.
It's pretty on there.
Because I was talking, you couldn't hear it click.
Probably.
We had to come by the warehouse, just to get tools. And so that's it right there, if you're ever wondering. Now we just gotta, I guess we can just disconnect the neutral side, or do we have to connect this? See, this is what contractors don't know. You have to disconnect the hot or the neutral. They just started right up without even having to disconnect the battery. The thing is, okay, turn it off. The thing is, what's gonna happen when I get gas? That is the question.
That's the true test.
So, I wonder if we ought to go ahead and disconnect it anyway. I'm being lazy, and we gotta go to a job. Look at all this mess, though.
I want to get gas and see how it reacts. I guess you gotta wait, though.
I've already got gas, and I know how it reacts. What is this contraption? Looks like there's fuses here. They're trying to make this complicated so contractors can't work on their own trucks, is what it is. Oh, wait, Barrett, here. This is the problem, Barrett, with being a general contractor, okay? You got caulk, whatever. You got bayonets for AKs, you know, whatchamacallits. You don't ever have anything you need. Look, cable cutters for cable rails. Oh, look, we could use that for a brush. Ow! Jesus, I poked myself. I was trying to find something to clean off the battery terminal with.
Yeah.
Be careful. What's going on, man? Look, Barrett, the engine light's off. Look.
Yeah, I see it, Dad.
Awesome. You're a genius.
Me.
Now we got to get gas and see what happens.
Yeah.
All right, we're getting gas. So what it would do before is I would stop to get gas, close the thing, get in, start, and it wouldn't want to start. It would take like five tries to start. Okay, Barrett, is it going to start?
I got good hope.
I'm just glad the engine light went off.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Fix your truck, Dad.
Oh my God, we fixed it, Barrett.
I know, we fixed it.
What in the world? Before it would just spin and spin and spin. And what's funny is, is that Barrett, what I would do is I would pull up at the gas station and I would leave my truck running to get gas, because if you did that, it wouldn't,
Wouldn't turn off.
it wouldn't give you trouble. If you left your truck running while you got gas, and then it wasn't. I think it's that process of opening the little valve on your gas tank or something, or releasing the vacuum in the tank. I don't know what it is. I'm a general contractor. Who knows? But and then what it would do is, after you got gas, it would just spin and spin and spin like there was no ignition source, right? The motor would just spin.
Yep.
Right? And then finally I figured out if I didn't turn the truck off, that it would be okay. So we fixed it. So
it's pretty cool.
If you're having that trouble, this is a 2014 Ford F-150 Super Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Yeah, baby. Best truck made, especially if a contractor can fix it.